I'm on YouTube, out here with another one. About to put a new grill on my Dodge Ram, the Cummins. Just painted it last week. I sanded her down a little bit, primered her up, and hit it with some gloss black. Clear coated it. Not bad. $50 grill off of eBay. 50 bucks, couldn't beat it. Bought the emblem for 15. She's mint. Stay tuned, about to go outside, take the other one off and put this one on. And I'll show you guys how to install. Even came with one on YouTube. We're back. Dodge Cummins, cleaned her up. We're on to the grill. Here's a new one I just painted. Check out the fast lift pump I just got installed last night. Way more throttle response, fuel pressure. Got the sump kit installed. Got a tank. Looks good. That's how you do it. Let's go walk over and pop the hood. Grab these just in case. It's not looking too bad. There's the old grill. It's all beat up. Let's go to this tip. Check out the tip I got on here. Ooh, just put a 4-inch to a 7-inch. Big boy. Looks good. I just got her a wash. She's already dirty. Here's the grill we're taking off right here. Just installed the new radiator, water pump thermostat like 2 weeks ago. So when I put my lift pump on, it deletes my fuel bowl and my stock lift pump. So that's out of there. There's the blue hose we put on last night. Yes sir, everything's looking good. Now we gotta take these bolts off up here. Pretty easy job. Stay tuned. Might do a colder intake in a little bit, go buy an air filter and put on the end of that hose and call her a day. Just got the grill off. It's pretty easy. Gotta wipe all this down right here. Get through, clean her out. There's a new grill. Old grill. Little visor. She's ready to go. I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's finished. What's going on YouTube? Here's my old grill. It was all cracked, so I wanted to change it, black everything out. As I was taking these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 bolts off. I think 11 or 10 bolts. It was an 8mm. I snapped all my tabs, so if you're not going to reuse your old grill or try to sell it, it's garbage after you take it off. So that's garbage. But everything's good to go, all bolted down. That's how she looks, clean. I'm about to go get some dinner with my girl. Has a nice little walk around with the new grill, new lift pump, a couple other things. I cleaned her up. Still salty as hell out here, but stay tuned, like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.